Hello everyone, welcome back to Happy Heart. Hope you all are doing good and safe. This video is going to be a kind of a request video, and I am going to request each one of you to listen to what I am going to say in the next few minutes. I'm just sharing this video as an awareness so that some of you who is watching this video can help a little baby girl who is suffering from a life-threatening disease. So let me explain you about the situation of this girl. So this girl name is Bharati and she is around 23 months old. She lives in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu with her parents, and she was a normal baby till she was 21 months old. And then her parents started feeling that all her motor abilities started reducing, that is, her walking and standing up all started reducing. So that is when they took her to the doctor, and the doctor found on August 9 that she is suffering from SMA type 2 disease, which is a life threatening disease. So let me explain you about what is this SMA all about. So SMA stands for spinal muscular atrophy. So what does this cause? So this causes muscle weakness and the muscles stop working gradually and all their motor abilities completely stop, and eventually it can cause death when they are around 2 years old, and this can occur in 1 in 10,000 babies. Now let's see why this life threatening disease occurs in babies. When the parent's non-working gene appears in the baby, then this non-working gene doesn't provide proper or enough protein to the muscles. And that is when all the muscles start becoming very weak and all their motor abilities start to reduce. And this is how the spinal muscular atrophy disease occurs in babies. And it usually occurs within 2 years of their age. So now this baby Bharati is undergoing this disease only. So now let's see what is the cure for this. So there is an injection called Zolgensma. So this is an injection which can be given to this baby, which is a gene replacement injection. So this is a one-time therapy which is going to cure this disease, and all her muscles will regain the strength and she'll become a normal child with this injection. But the challenging part is that this injection, Zolgensma, is the most expensive medicine in the world, and it is produced by Novartis Medicine Company, and the cost is 16 crore Indian rupees. Now you can all understand that this is such a big amount and this cannot be afforded by a single family. So this big amount is possible only if people are ready to donate for her. So I'm requesting each one of you to donate at least a very small amount so that this baby can live her life. And this family has collected around 10 crores till now by all the kind souls who have donated for her. Now there is 6 more crores left to complete the 16 crores. So let us all stand together and donate at least a small amount for her. And the next challenging part is this amount should be collected before this girl turns 2, and she's turning 2 on November 2nd. So this is very crucial period for her life, and let us all stand united and provide at least a small amount for her. And last but not the least, even if we are not able to provide any financial support, we can keep her in our prayers so that this precious little baby can get back to her normal life. So together we can, and let us all stand united. Thank you.